And Elon Musk says that he tried to get a meeting with Apple CEO Tim Cook back in 2018 to pitch him on the idea of buying Tesla. Musk says, though, that Cook would not even agree to a meeting. Tesla has increased in value about tenfold since then, but you got to go back. And, Joe, that's the thing that's so crazy about this. This was just a couple of years ago, back in 2018. It was worth a tenth of the market value that it is right now. And remember, that's when there were still questions running around about the solvency of the company, whether they'd be able to get through some of the big debt payments that they had coming up. And it must have been a pretty questionable time if Elon Musk himself was willing to consider selling the company, because you know how much he cares about this and how invested he is.
The Model 3 was a tough intro for him, tough introduction. And there were times where I guess they were operating on a shoestring, even though we've made the point that they do have access to cheap capital more than most companies. But we're going to talk to these guys. And they made a point, it was either Tony or one of the other guys that we're going to talk to about Apple, that if Elon Musk on a shoestring really can introduce that car without all of the legacy engineers and all the stuff and all the, think of GM and that bloated management, and Ford, and I don't know if you saw Ford versus Ferrari and how those places finally operated. I mean, they were their own worst enemy probably. But if he could do it on that, Apple, think what Apple could do with the money they have.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.